In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Node.js on Windows 11. By the end, you'll have a stable, developer-friendly setup ready for modern JavaScript tools. Node.js lets you run JavaScript outside the browser, and it comes bundled with a package manager that many build tools depend on. So getting this right is important. Start by opening your preferred web browser and heading to the official Node.js website. You'll know you're in the right place when you see the Node.js branding and a clean download section featured prominently. It's always best to download from the official source to ensure you're getting a safe, up-to-date installer. On the home page, you'll see two main download options. Choose the Windows installer for the LTS version. LTS stands for long-term support, which means it's designed for stability and broad compatibility. While the current release includes the latest features, the LTS version is the recommended choice for most users, especially if you're setting up a development environment you want to rely on. Look for the Windows installer with the .msi extension. Most Windows 11 systems are 64-bit, so select the 64-bit installer unless you specifically need 32-bit. Once the file finishes downloading, run the installer by double-clicking it in your Downloads folder. If Windows asks for permission to make changes, click Yes to continue. The Node.js setup wizard will open. Proceed through the Welcome and License Agreement screens by clicking Next. These screens outline what's being installed and the terms of use. When you reach the setup options, keep the defaults. This ensures you're installing the Node.js runtime along with the package manager that developers commonly use. Make sure Add to Path is checked. This is important because it allows you to run Node.js commands from any command prompt or PowerShell window without having to point to the installation folder manually. It's usually enabled by default, and leaving it on will save you time later. Click Install to begin. The installation may take a minute or two, and you'll see a progress bar while files are copied and configured. Try not to interrupt this process. Just let the wizard run to completion. If any security prompts appear, allow the installer to continue so it can finish setting up the necessary components. When the installer reports that it's done, click Finish to exit. That's it. Node.js and its package manager are now set up on your Windows 11 machine, ready for your projects and development tools.